Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be taking a closer look at Keto Brownie. For those wondering, it is pronounced keto, and this is my second time recording this video. At first glance, Keto Brownie is a snack bar, or brownie rather, that just packed with a lot of healthy fats, very low in carbs, and high in protein. Basically, the essential macros for what you would need to maintain a keto diet. And of course taste, which is going to be more so what we're going to be focusing on today. Full disclosure, I am not on a keto diet. Since we've already gone over that this brownie hits all the marks for the keto macros, I am making a point to mention this so you understand that there is virtually nothing stopping me from eating regular brownies. All kinds and shapes, all different brands, whatever, Hostess, it doesn't matter. To that end, I don't plan on holding back because honestly, no one ruins brownies on my watch. That said, diet is something I am concerned with, and the relatively high protein content and fiber is absolutely something I can get behind, and, well, I like brownies. Well, the consistency is very similar to cookie dough, just slightly denser, I'd say. If you don't like cookie dough, then that means you love lying, and we can't really be friends anymore, though chances are my overzealous attitude towards brownies already took care of that. I can say that they pass the test. As a serious brownie fan, I can say without question that this is by far one of the tastiest supplement bars I've ever tried. They do get extremely close to the mark, to the point where I'd say they fit the brownie bill quite nicely. They have officially earned their title of brownie. They do use real chocolate. That's something that I obviously appreciate. I think the major note is that it is essentially a simple brownie with ingredients adjusted just to fit the macros that anyone needs to maintain a keto diet. Obviously, maintaining a ketogenic diet is something that is going to put a limit on some of the things you'd want to eat. Keto Brownie actually has a ton of super creative and delicious recipes to transform your brownie into something a little bit more fancy. I kind of like that they give you the tools to equip yourself to turn their keto brownie into something a little bit more. Obviously, you know, it's great to shake things up a bit. If you're on a ketogenic diet, clearly you're gonna, have limited options. So this is awesome. Honestly, life is too short. If you gave this to me on a plate without the wrapper, I probably would hardly be able to tell the difference between a freshly baked brownie and this, to be honest. I mean, it really does come close to the mark of what you know and love as a brownie. It's a brownie. It's ketogenic brownie. It's good. It's really, really good. I'm really interested to see what these other recipes are like, and I actually think I might give a couple of them a try. They really look delicious. If you are curious, just head to their website. We'll leave a link in the description below. That is it for our first look of Keto Brownie. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think, like this video, and of course subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, check out the Ready Yeti membership where you can save up to 50% off thousands of gear and supplements, just like Keto Brownie. That's it for now. We'll catch you next week with another Ready Yeti First Look.